So here's the deal. Lug came out with new items this month, but all of the new items are new spins on old favorites. So let's open it up. This is officially the biggest box I've ever gotten from Lug. I have not seen this yet. You can color some of their bags. A while back, I actually designed my own print. First of all, I have two Skipper SEs here. I wanted something really fun, and then I wanted something gray. So we'll go over those in a bit. The Wings SE. The first time I saw Floral Multi, it did not excite me, I admit it, because it's a print of all neutrals. And you guys know, I love color. So when it first came out, I decided I didn't need anything in it, which has worked out really well because now I have about 10 things in it. The Boomerang SE. If I throw it, will it come back? Last but not least, Puddle Jumper in Heather Indigo. Another pen. You were at the bottom of the box. Almost did not see you. We're gonna need some room here. You are taking up all of the room on my table. What are we gonna look at first? Let's look at this first. First impressions. You gotta try a little bit to open this one. Might be a good thing. If you're new here, cool thing about this bag, clear view pockets. You can also put personal pictures in here, and an insulated pocket in the front. There will be a Wings SE video. This is just first impressions. I like it. The Boomerang. This is in the print Lily Gray. And when I saw the stock photo, it kind of reminded me of a tiger print. So I've been casually referring to it as Tiger Lily. I do not expect that to catch on. It's a pocket. Really love how this is all neutral, except that amber just jumps out in this print. The reason I had to get this print in this bag looks like the kind of bag I would imagine myself walking through the jungle carrying. Don't tell me what kind of bags people walk in the jungles with. There's that cat again. And then this is like a perfect little jungle print. I just feel like if I was going to the jungle, am I not explaining this well? And I had to pick a bag to bring with me, this would be my jungle bag. I have no plans of going to the jungle, but if I go to the jungle, I am prepared. Not to mention, yes, it is banana shaped. I don't know, I like, this was a no-brainer. I saw this print in this bag, I had to have it. I'm going to the jungle with it. Jessie, 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 the explorer. Gonna take my banana bag to the jungle. Look, it's another pocket. We got my soft line. Surprised me. Skippers. You know, we're just gonna skip these. Let's do this one first. It's taking up a lot of room and I'm honestly very excited about it. That's how these two look together. Okay. So the cool thing about this bag in a bag. And if you have never seen this, take a good look at this. Same silhouette, and it's got a few of the same pockets. And I love how the set looks together. I know some of you have been asking to see the Puddle Jumper with the Via too. I will happily take people through the differences and show them side by side. And the Skippers. Let's look at Heather Gray. So the talk of the town with this bag has been this pocket, which is built into the strap. But I like it. Will I still like it when I have it on is the question. So I wear my bags with the bag on my right hip. What I'm wondering is if I don't like this behind me, and I'm thinking this bag could be reversed. Like if I wanted to wear this on the outside, I could do that if I wanted this pocket on my left. I do have two earlier style Skippers, so here they are together. This is the same bag. I'm not gonna open it today. So what I'll do before I go is try these bags on for you guys. Remember, there's also gonna be upcoming comparisons, and I do have the tandem Zip SE coming in as well. I do actually like how this here hugs the body. This is not uncomfortable in any way. I don't even feel this. If I didn't know it was there, I wouldn't be able to feel that it was there. It just feels like part of the strap. Reverse with something in here. So yeah, if you're one of those who likes their cell phone pocket in the front and you want this in the front, just flip the bag over. I kind of want this like right here, like right at my waist. I feel like it needs to be right here. Okay, yes, I like this one up higher. And I know a lot of people want to wear this as a sling. So, is that what you're talking about? I kind of like that. That'll be good for the jungle. This could definitely be a good shoulder bag. I don't feel that way about every bag. I like crossbodies though. So this is very comfortable too, and I like this a lot, a little bit higher as well. Yeah, that was fun. So that's gonna wrap up my video. Let me know what you guys are thinking down in the comments. Tell me which one of these new bags is your favorite. Did you get any of them? Are you gonna get any of them? Thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you're subscribed to Lugnut TV so that you don't miss any new content. There is so much more to come, so stay tuned and I'll see you guys next time.